he made a simple 39-second long TikTok teaching people how to reduce stress, and he made 105,680. And that's because he linked this product in his video. This is possible through something called TikTok Shop Affiliate. When you film a TikTok, you link a product in your video, people buy the product from your video, and you get a ton of commission. Now, what's even crazier is this video was uploaded less than a month ago. We're going to break down the actual video that this person created. We're going to look at how you go about finding viral products such as this one, and of course how much profit exactly they made from this transaction. Now, if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Victor. I help beginner TikTok Shop affiliate creators make their first dollar online like I did. I do this by covering success case studies like this and breaking them down into easy to follow simple steps that you can go ahead and try out for yourself. If that sounds good to you, be sure to drop a big like, and if you watch all the way up until the end, and if you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe. Now, in terms of the hook of the video, I've got the video here, and we're going to break down the video into the hook, the body of the video, as well as the call to action. But if we go back to the hook, straight away you've got a text hook on top there. Now, this is not an English video, but I've translated the headline of the video, or the hook of the video, and it actually says symptoms of cortisol. For those of you who don't know, cortisol is a hormone that is highly linked to stress. So the higher that hormone, the higher the levels of stress. He's addressing this problem. Now, that's what I'm thinking straight away just by seeing the title of the video. Straight away, if we click into the video, he goes to the point and he starts talking about where these problem areas are. And if we move on to like the body of the video, very, very visual. He shows you everything that he's talking about. Now, the video style is simple. It's straight to the point. What he actually says, he wants people to make sure that they're buying quality ashwagandha, not a cheaper product. He actually shows people where to go about getting it as well. As you can see, he points here to left of your screen where people can click to buy the product. Probably took no longer than 10 minutes to get the whole thing done, but none of this matters if you haven't selected the right product. Very quickly, before we get back into the video, I would love to help you reach your personal TikTok goals. And the good news is I've recently launched something that allows me to do that. If you click on this link in the description, you can reach out to me directly, but you need to hurry because spots are limited and I can only work with so many people. All right, back to the video. In terms of finding the right products, what creators like this are doing, they can go about the manual route where they find products on the TikTok Shop product marketplace. But the problem is this can be very tedious. It can take hours, sometimes even days. And even when you do find a list of products, you haven't got that reassurance. You haven't got the data that backs up that you are finding the right profitable product. Quick way to get this done literally in minutes is by using spy tools like Shop Plus, which I'm using here in the video. I have linked it in the description as well, by the way, if you want to give it a spin. So if you go into the homepage, product to top sales, you can see straight away what products are selling the most. You can filter this by day, week, month. You can filter it by country as well. I've filtered it by the United States, but you've got other options here. And straight away, I can see these products ranked. The highest number of sales produced will obviously be the highest ranked product. And we can see that it's this Goli Ashwagandha Vitamin D Gummy. You can obviously see videos that are being created by creators that are promoting the same product. So you can either do it the easy way, or you can go ahead and do it manually. It doesn't matter if you are able to locate the right products as well if you are not going to be consistent. But as we can see, this creator here, if we go onto their profile, we'll see here that they are someone who shows up fairly regularly on TikTok. They are a small creator at only 3,700 followers, but they've got a bunch of videos. But the beauty of TikTok Shop Affiliate is every view could be a potential sale. So this 557 view video, they could have had 250 sales. They could have had 100 sales. They could have had 50 sales. Every time you show up, someone is potentially going to buy a product. Even if you don't get that many sales, it's still going to be worth, more than the effort that you put in making this video a lot of the times. So all these videos here are likely making them a profit. When you do go viral, when you do get videos in the thousands like that one there, that's even more of a bonus. You've got this one here, nearly 2,000 views, and you've got videos that have gone somewhat viral, 45,000 there, 62,000 there, 35k there, and of course the video that we've just been talking about today, which is the one that generated 479,000 100,000 views. By the standards of the creator rewards program, this is not even that viral, so you wouldn't make a lot of money but with this, you can obviously see the difference there. In terms of how much profit the creator made exactly here, is very easy to work out. We can see that they promoted this Goli Ashwagandha product, which brought in around 105,680 in profit. This makes 20% profit for every sale. So every time someone buys this product from you, you get 20% off that sale, which means that this creator would have made 20% off $105,680 in under a month. In total, that works out at 21,136 in profit. This is their commission. This is what they put in their pockets, in their bank account and use, which is just absolutely nuts. Compared again to the creator rewards program, you would need to have many views in order to go anywhere near hundreds of millions potentially of views in order to generate a similar amount of money. Now, it's also, what's even crazier is they don't worry, this creator is not worried about shipping the products. They're not worried about customer service or even running the shop at all. All they need to do is just show up, create a video and promote the product, and they get paid commission for every sale they make. Now, all of this might mean nothing to you if you don't understand how TikTok Shop affiliate works from a basic level. On the screen is a mini course that I created which explains everything that you need to know. I'll see you in there.